In this video, we will demonstrate installation of the AUTODOME 7100i Series Gen 6 and NDA 7100 PEN wall arm with an NDA UPSU 0 24 VAC power supply box. We previously connected the 24 VAC to port P101 with the supplied green connector through the liquid tight connector through the left hole in the bottom of the PSU. We have pre-wired the Ethernet cable through the same liquid tight connector in the bottom of the PSU. We have also pre-wired a low voltage 18-2 stranded cable 24 VAC connection through the AUTODOME wall arm at port X105 using the small green connector. Use the securing cable tabs to allow for a neat service loop. Next, attach the wall arm onto the PSU using the 2 pins. Pull the Ethernet cable through the AUTODOME arm and connect it to the wall arm board at port X104. The PSU end of the wire is connected to the supplied red connector to pins labeled HAUX. Do not use the pins labeled DOME, as those pins do not have an appropriate output power. Connect the red 24 VAC connector to port P107 in the PSU, which is the 3.15 amp connection. Connect the wall arm grounding wire to port P101 in the PSU. Use the securing cable tabs to allow for a neat service loop. Use either a Velcro or nylon wire tie to secure the cables neatly. The next step is to secure the AUTODOME arm to the PSU using the captured screws, making the unit watertight. Bosch supplies a 3/16 Allen wrench with the wall arm, or you can use other appropriate tools you may have. The next step is to mount the AUTODOME head on the wall arm. There is an installer-friendly clip that allows the camera to be attached to the arm and hang securely, allowing the installer to work without having to continuously hold the AUTODOME head. There are 2 captured bolts on the top of the wall arm that are used to secure the AUTODOME head in place, making this connection watertight. We have completed the installation of the Bosch AUTODOME 7100i Series Gen 6 camera system using the NDA UPSU 024 VAC power supply box, the NDA 7100 PEN wall arm, and the AUTODOME camera head of choice. If our team can be of further assistance, please contact us at support@midchess.com.